Yo, what's up, great people? African traveler here. I'm also with Madhu, director Madhu himself. So guys, it's been a minute since we took you somewhere. We've been busy. We've been doing different things, and yeah, you guys can probably get in touch with us in future if you need us to partner in such things like real estate shoot, event organization. Madhu, you can give them a preview of what we do. So guys, today we're going to take you to some of the most beautiful areas of Nairobi that have hardly been shown by not only me. This is my first time showing you guys this area, but I haven't seen, I don't know, people do these areas. So yeah, so you come with us. I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm going to show you one of the most exclusive, beautiful hotels from Africa. Yeah, it's called Windermere Hotel. So we're going to Garden Estate as well as Ridgeways. So I've shown you some bit of Ridgeways on the Runda video, but a Ridgeway on the side of Windermere Hotel I haven't shown you guys. So this video will be to show you guys the part of Nairobi that have hardly been shown in the mainstream media or even on the YouTube channel. So yeah, so come with us, and guys, feel free to partner with us if you need to be to feature your occasion. Yeah, Madhu will share with you as much as Madhu has shared with you guys. Feel free to share with us if you need us to if you need to partner with us in any of those events. We can be more than glad to feature your event. So see you guys, and yeah, looking forward to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace out. Great people, today we're going to feature some of the high-end residential areas of Nairobi that are least featured. And in my opinion, this will be Ridgeways as well as Garden Estate. So Garden Estate and Ridgeways actually border each other, and you can access to all these areas with using Thika Road, Kiambu Road, or either Southern Bypass, depending on which road you come from. So over time, most of especially Ridgeway were large-scale coffee plantation, and they've been evolving over time to very high-end premium residential areas. I wouldn't put them exactly the same area as the most premium luxurious real estate in Nairobi, let's say Karen or Runda, but yeah, they play on a league. They are, I would say, very high-end middle-class residential areas. Garden Estate is super close from Nairobi. I would say as same as Ridgeways, less than 10 kilometers from the Nairobi CBD. So with that, Garden Estate, over time, you would find a lot of the people, residential area living around Garden Estate are mostly very high level government officials, as well as businessmen. And on the other side of Ridgeway, you would find a lot of, the mix you find in Runda. These are NGOs, local businessmen. So most of these areas are really changing from the prior large-scale coffee plantation to high-end real estate. So come, and I hope you guys will enjoy the tour. So whenever you're around Garden Estate or Ridgeways, It is a very nice restaurant. It's called Ray's Ray, literally meaning the King's Palace. So we came here and we had some awesome meal. Yeah, the chicken was super nice, the beef was nice, and yeah, they have accommodation. Yeah, you can also get conference centers. You can book for VIP. They have VIP rooms, and yeah, we also had some party some time back. This is one of the most nice place that you can really have a good time with friends on privacy. It's kind of private, and yeah, you can have a very good time, as well as, you know, the comfort of your privacy. So check them on the Google Maps. You can come to the place. The food are very nice, as well as affordable. This is just a tips for you guys. If you are around this place, they gave us some complimentary meals. Feel free to come and enjoy as well as we did. For the first time, we also got to capture Windsor Hotel. Though this is one of the most beautiful hotels I mesmerized and wanted to capture over time. So this is one of the hotel owned by the Michuki family, the former Kenyan minister, very strong minister. Windsor Golf Hotel and Country Club is a 5-star Victorian style impressive hotel, a resort that sets an entirely new standard for resort hotels in Kenya and world as an unbeatable golfing holiday, making it ideal base for Kenyan safari and a top-class venue for conference, seminars, conventional wedding. So many weddings actually held here. So can come here for fine dining, 18-hole championship golf courses. So yeah, so the hotel has, its class, and it's one of those places I've really loved to capture. It has a very magnificent view of Nairobi, and within the place you can still see the coffee farms, jogging tracks. Yeah. If you have some good cash on you and you're planning to come to Kenya, I would advise you to come to, take your time and spend your time here as well. So yeah, hope you guys saw something new and learned and enjoyed. guys, the day was successful. I wouldn't say it was easy because around this area a military barracks is not as close by. So I remember Abel Mtua said once he was arrested around this area. It was one of our biggest fear. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to partner with us if you want us to feature any of your programs, be it funeral, political event, a wedding. Just mention anything, we'll be more than glad to do that. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Peace out, Madhu.
Peace, manze.
Tunashukuru
sana. Always supporting us and giving us the opportunity to serve you guys. And God awaendelee tu kubless na wape more opportunities.
Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.